In the event that you're searching for Bitcoin money cost expectations, figure for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Bitcoin money will go from now on. We will basically break down the past costs of Bitcoin money and will generally figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activity. Kindly sort of remember that you want to in every way that really matters. Take this forecast and each and every expectation with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master, experts. Not to fundamentally specify foreseeing something so wonderful is totally incomprehensible. Yet, we will make an honest effort in a significant manner. We should begin, which is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money pretty past value investigation. As per the most recent information assembled, the ongoing cost of Bitcoin money explicitly is $120.39 and BCH really is presently positioned number 28 in the especially whole crypto environment in an unpretentious manner. The dissemination supply of Bitcoin money essentially is 19,349,163 with a market cap of $2,329,353,553. In the especially beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been fundamentally diminished by 2.12% in its ongoing worth amazingly. Assuming we basically look at the ongoing business sector cap of the BCH with yesterday, you can especially see that the market cap is additionally down. Bitcoin money is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with extremely other crypto coins incredibly. The BCH is down to nearly 8.14% over the most recent 7 days, which is genuinely huge. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for commonly past sort of couple of days. The coin could essentially have kind of solid basics yet we don't in a real sense feel that it would a beneficial resource in present moment. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of BCH in a real sense diminished by 9.164%, taking out an incredible normal amount of $12.14 from its sort of current worth in an unpretentious manner. This unexpected down explicitly implies that the coin for the most part is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can commonly be a by and large great for the most part purchase and open door for speedy speculation. The 90 days cost change for the most part is around 11.68%, and the cost circled from a base commonly normal cost of $105.99 to greatest certainly normal cost of $109.48 in the very beyond 90 days. In certainly most recent 4 months Bitcoin money has shown a developing pattern. Subsequently, we believe that comparable pieces of the market by and large were very famous at that period. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Bitcoin money is expanded from 4 months, which is genuinely critical. The exchanging volume comprises a crucial job in its cost. The coin basically is up by 12.97% with the greatest typical cost of the coin was around $106.51 and the base genuinely normal value of was around $98.84 in truly beyond 4 months. Beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. We foresee future Bitcoin money cost expectations. BCH estimate by applying profound man-made brainpower helps specialized examination on the past value information of Bitcoin money. We do our in a real sense the best to especially gather genuinely greatest verifiable information for the BCH coin which for the most part incorporate numerous boundaries like past value, Bitcoin money market cap, Bitcoin money volume and not many more. Assuming you truly are looking to truly put resources into computerized digital currencies and need great profit from your speculations, try to peruse our expectations, or so they thought. Bitcoin money value expectation 2023 as per our in every way that really matters. Profound specialized examination on past value information of BCH. In 2023 the cost of Bitcoin money is anticipated to basically reach at any rate level of $162.76 in a significant manner. The BCH cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $186.45 with the typical exchanging cost of $167.56, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money value expectation 2024 as per our profound specialized examination on past value information of BCH. In 2024 the cost of Bitcoin money for the most part is estimated to be at around a base worth of $239.11. The Bitcoin money value worth can generally arrive at a kind of limit of $285.26 with the typical exchanging worth of $245.81 in USD, which especially is very critical. BCH value gauge for 2025 according to the conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2025 the cost of Bitcoin money especially is in every practical sense anticipated to reach at a sort of least degree of $348.31. The BCH cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $421.41 with the typical exchanging cost of $360.60. Bitcoin money value expectation 2026 Bitcoin money cost is figured to arrive at a least fundamentally conceivable degree of $531.93 in 2026. According to our discoveries, the BCH cost could arrive at a very greatest conceivable degree of $599.67 with the typical conjecture cost of $549.96, which is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money value expectation 2027 Bitcoin money cost really is figured to arrive at a very the least entirely conceivable degree of $733.78 in 2027 amazingly. According to our discoveries, the BCH cost could arrive at a most extreme entirely conceivable degree of $930.27 with the in every way that really matters normal figure cost of $761.28. Bitcoin money value expectation 2028 The cost of Bitcoin money is certainly anticipated to reach at a kind of least degree of $1,097.29 in 2028. The Bitcoin money cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $1,275.47 with the typical cost of $1,127.74 all through 2028, which in every way that really matters is very huge. Bitcoin money value expectation 2029 according to the estimate and specialized examination. In 2029 the cost of Bitcoin money is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $1,531.27, which is very critical. The BCH cost can in a real sense arrive at a most extreme value worth of $1,875.98 with the typical worth of $1,576.38. Bitcoin money value gauge 2030 The cost of Bitcoin money in a real sense is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $2,205.45 in 2030. The Bitcoin money cost could arrive at a kind of most extreme worth of $2,713.52 with the typical exchanging cost of $2,268.51 all through 2030. Bitcoin money value forecast 2031 The cost of one Bitcoin money is supposed to by and large reach at least degree of $3,150.79 in 2031 in an extremely significant manner. The BCH cost can in every way that really matters arrive at an especially most extreme degree of $3,827.40 with the exceptionally normal cost of $3,264.22 all through 2031 in a sort of enormous manner. Bitcoin money value forecast 2032 The cost of Bitcoin money fundamentally is anticipated to essentially reach at any rate worth of $4,565.96 in 2032. The Bitcoin money cost could generally arrive at a fundamentally most extreme worth of $5,565.90 with the typical exchanging cost of $4,696.53 all through 2032, which for the most part is very critical. What most certainly is the eventual fate of Bitcoin money. The fate of Bitcoin money is profoundly reliant upon the genuinely by and large execution of the crypto business. With regards to putting resources into BCH, you want